I'm Courtney. Like many of us, I'm excited to watch our Olympic athletes compete in Paris. These athletes know how important it is to maintain a healthy diet and use nutrition to gain a competitive advantage. Nutrition.gov is a great resource for anyone looking to improve their diet and start eating healthier. Here are some nutrition tips. Fuel up with whole grains every day. Maintain muscle mass by incorporating lean proteins throughout your week. Create colorful plates by incorporating fruits and vegetables as half of your plate in each meal. Choose low-fat, non-fat dairy products. Eat and drink less saturated fat, sodium, and added sugars. Visit Nutrition.gov to learn what works best for you and your lifestyle.
Go check out Nutrition.gov. It's got plenty of great healthy eating tips and you can learn a lot. I know I have, so make sure you go check it out.
Thanks Nutrition.gov for being a good resource for a healthy lifestyle.
Be sure to go visit Nutrition.gov to learn what works best for you and your lifestyle.
Thank you Nutrition.gov for being a great resource.